Hello everybody! It's time to start checking these C7 Twinkles. This is the set that goes in the Nandina tree because I have a few of those LED twinkle bulbs in there. Let's test these out and see what they do. See how many I've got burned out. Wow, got a lot burned out. Unless there's a second plug. So here's plug number 1. And where is plug number 2? Right there. Let's check and see. Any bulbs out? Nope. Yep. Got one here. That appears to be a vintage GE Twinkle Bright. And yep, it is open, so I will get my twinkle bulbs out and get that swapped out. Okay, got a twinkle bulb, blue, modern. And we should be good there. That one's good. Okay, yep, that's good. Well, those two sets are good. So I'll move on to the next ones. Here are the ones for the front bushes in front of the house. Okay, those are good. Let's see what we got. If I got two strands here as well. Okay, here's the plug for the other side. See if we can just do this. Yep. Everything's looking pretty good there. That guy is about to burn out. That GE Twinkle Bright, because that's only at 85 volts and it's that bright, so definitely got a supernova condition there. But I will call that good for now. And it even twinkles. How about that? That is funny. Got some flaking paint. These are notorious for paint flaking on them. But I like them. That one's good. And then here's the third set that goes on the front bushes. See what we got here. Looks like we got an orange bulb out. Nope. Got a flaky socket, maybe, but it's going. And they're starting to twinkle just a little. Excellent. And in the middle of all that was my chaser set from 1990. Let's see what these do. Anything? Oh, look at them go. So it looks like these will need a little servicing. There's a bulb that just fell out. And that didn't do anything for the situation. So I'm thinking we'll have to come back and do a little troubleshooting on these, but they are somewhat functional. Definitely revisit that one in its own video. I've got a mystery strand here. I don't remember where these went. No label on them. Well, let's take a look at these soft twinkles. I bought these just for a test last year. They look alright. And they do. So we're soft twinkling. I think I put those in the Nandina tree. So that leaves my two Carport light strands. Let's see how these do. These are vintage GE sets, the light strands anyway. 15 lights. And then here's the second plug. See how many glow brights I got out. Absolutely none. So that's going to be it for this session. Thank you for watching. Probably do start working on the super spheres and things like that the next session. And then we'll get on that 140 count chaser light set as well. But these are good, and all the little C7 bulbs are good to go. So thank you for watching.